Master the art of interactive drop-downs in Figma to elevate your UI design and craft truly dynamic prototypes. Let's start by creating the foundation of our drop-down, a simple button. I'm using a rectangle for the base and some text for the label. Don't forget to group these elements together. Next, we'll add the first option for our drop-down. This is essentially a text layer, and we'll style it to match our desired look. Duplicate this text layer to create additional options. You can easily rename them to suit your needs. For example, Option 2 and Option 3. Now group all these option text layers together. This will be the content that appears when the drop-down is activated. Select both your button group and your options group. It's time to transform these into a powerful interactive component. Click on the Create Component icon. We'll now create a hidden state for our drop-down. Click the Add Variant button to create a new state. This is where we'll control the visibility of our options. In this new variant, select the group that holds your drop-down options and set its opacity to 0. This makes them hidden by default. Now, let's add the interaction. Select the initial variant, the one with visible options in the prototype panel. Add an interaction. Set the trigger to on click and the action to change to, pointing it to the second variant, our hidden state. Next, in our hidden variant, we'll add an interaction to close the drop-down. You can trigger this on click or on click outside to make it more user-friendly. Set the action to change to, bringing it back to the first variant, the open state. Drag an instance of your created component onto your desired frame. And there you have it, your interactive drop-down menu ready to enhance your user interface and create engaging prototypes.